Hey there, this is Mrs. S, and today we're going to co-teach letter group RNMH formation with superwriters. This video is compatible with almost all curriculum and other handwriting programs, so you can use any teaching wording that you like. This is the wording I use. Slide down, slide up and over. Or sometimes I sing it. Slide down, slide up and over. R turns into N. If you can make an R, you can make an N. Slide down, slide up and all the way over. Or slide down, slide up and all the way over. N turns into M. If you can make an N, you can make an M. Slide down, slide up and over, or slide down, slide up and over, up and over. A long line down turns N into H. We're going to start up high, long line down, slide up and over, or long line down, slide up and over. I use the 3-minute videos mostly for gross motor practice and engagement to get the formation down, especially for pre-K and kinder kids. But it's also really good for students who have the formation down but need practice with speed and fluency. The 4-minute videos are paced to have students watch, then write on paper or a whiteboard. I always have students practice on paper because that's what they are expected to do when they're working in the classroom. Pre-teach writing one letter in a time and not working ahead. Point to the screen, cueing, watching, now your turn, watching, now your turn. Feedback for correct practice is key for muscle memory. Make sure to let the students know if they're doing it right. This video works best when used as an extra set of hands for teaching mastery of a difficult skill without a lot of time, resources, or student developmental readiness. Short attention spans are one of many barriers to mastering a skill that requires consistent practice and feedback. We need to get creative and intentional about how we teach letter writing to ensure all our students have the skills they need to participate in higher level learning later on. For more tips on how to make your handwriting instruction even more amazing, please like and subscribe.